This is a video to show you how to connect your wall hanging to your stick or your dowel rod. So you're going to work a series of slip stitches across the top, and as you pull your yarn through, you're going to be alternating wrapping it across the front or the back of the stick or dowel rod. So I'll walk you through a few stitches, just practice it and you'll get it. So slip stitch into your next single crochet, wrap your yarn to the back of your stick, pull your hook through with a loop of yarn and then pull it through your loop. And the next one, you're going to wrap the yarn to the front and pull it through. Slip stitch into the next single crochet, wrap your yarn to the back, grab your yarn with your hook, pull it through the stitch and then through your loop. Then the next time you will slip stitch to the next stitch, grab your yarn from the front of the hook, pull it through your stitch and through your loop. Alternate that back and forth and you'll have a series of V-stitches across the top of your stick and slip stitches across the top of your wall hanging.